In this video, we're going to talk about the triple tax advantage of a health savings account, also known as an HSA. So the first tax advantage of an HSA is that your contributions to your HSA are pre-tax. All funds or money that is contributed to your HSA via payroll deduction is not subject to federal income tax. And the great thing is that it's also exempt from most states' income tax as well. The second tax advantage of an HSA is that it provides tax-free interest and tax-free earnings. So all the money inside of your HSA that's accruing interest or earnings from investments in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds is all tax-free. This means that you keep 100% of any money your HSA savings or investments earn, and it boosts the amount of money that you have to cover your out-of-pocket medical costs. And one misconception is that you can't invest the money inside of your HSA, and that's simply not true. You can invest the money inside of your HSA into stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The third tax advantage of an HSA is that you get tax-free withdrawals of your money. You see, you won't pay a penny in taxes on the money you withdraw or spend from your HSA as long as it's for a qualified medical expense. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the triple tax advantage of a health savings account. You contribute tax-free money, your earnings and interest are also tax-free, and your qualified spending and withdrawals are also tax-free. Financial knowledge is power. Please like and follow for more.